I believe we are ready to go. I believe we are ready to move on. Okay. Okay. Now we are good to go. Yeah, we are good to go. I share screen. We will always go with those who are ready. Okay. So let me hope you are seeing my screen. And here we are. Here we are. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. And now this is what we call Bitcoin. Otherwise, welcome to today's lesson. Are you getting me very well? Are you getting me very well?
Yes, coach.
Okay, good. So, like I used to tell you every day, that if you want to know the direction of the market, you should be knowing the history of Bitcoin. The history of Bitcoin. And secondly, we should be knowing the movements of Bitcoin. The movements of Bitcoin. It is so important to understand that. It is so important to understand that. Then you can see the way forward. Okay, so from here we can be able to see that we had our lowest point here. Okay, because before you do anything, you must find out the trend. You must find out a trend. For you to understand where the market is going, you should know a trend. Okay, now this was highest level there, and this was the lowest point. But you can see this point here. This point here failed to take off this one. It failed to break this level. Therefore, we don't compare this as a lowest point. This is the lowest point, and this is a higher low. It is not a lower low. Okay, now the market started to move from here up to here. That is an uptrend automatically. And we said that the uptrend should be in this mode. Down, then up, down, up, and now here we can see the mistake is here now. Okay, let me stop from there. Okay, so we can see that the market was clearly in uptrend here, whereby we can see this was its high at that point. Then we have a higher low at that point. Then we have another higher high at that point. Are we together? So this is what we follow when we are definitely trading. This is another higher low, and this is a highest level. Are we together? That is the highest level here. So from there we can see the market dropped from here. It stopped here. it tried to go back to break this level. It failed. Are we together? Meaning this is our higher low. Hey, have you shared the short screen with your people? Have you shared the link with your people? I don't know. If not, they are missing out. So, since this is our highest level and this is our higher low, and now this one qualifies not to be a high but to be a lower high. There is a big difference between higher low and lower high. Are we getting the point? This one is down, this one is up. This is a lower high, this is a higher low. And now we can see the same market breaking this level. If we break, whenever we break, that is the change of character here. So this market was trying to push back to retest this line and to drop. Where is it going? The discount level. Are we all understanding this? This is where we have the change of character. I think let me name there. Change of character. It is there. Can we understand it? The reason why we called it the change of character. So after higher high, this level failed to take off this, to break this. That is an indication of failing. Are we together? This level failed to break this level. It means this level is lower than this. And from there, we have what we call the higher low at this point. And it is very, very much important for us to understand where the higher low is. And we mark it. When we mark it, it will be easy for us to identify the choke. Change of character. And now, after breaking it, we have to look at the targets where we expect the market to go. First of all, when you're looking at the targets, we are looking at these higher lows. These higher lows are your targets. Are we together? So therefore, this is target number 1. This is another target here. And this is another target here. And finally, we have what we can call the demand level at this point here. Are we together? The demand level at that point. Let me remove this. I think I used it yesterday. Okay? This is now our demand level. It's where we expect market to go after change of character. Then we have a supply level at this point. For those who attended my class yesterday evening, I told you that we cannot find out the supply level before change of character. I don't know whether it is making sense. Is it making sense? We cannot mark the supply level. We cannot mark the supply level if we don't find out where the change of character is. So in other words, we have to wait for the change of character for us to confirm the supply level. And you can see very well it was supplied. Here it was the first point, then here the market supplied, and therefore it had to do what? To drop down. By dropping down, this is the level of take profits that we can look at. This is 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. So we are expecting the Bitcoin to drop up to this point. Though we can take small partial profits. This is 4%, this is 6%, 7%, and finally 10% down here. It's where we are expecting this Bitcoin to do what? To go. Are we getting the point? So, this is the situation that we are looking at in the market. I think we are together. Identify the trend. Secondly, look at the change of character. Then get your entry as you are shorting the market. Is it hard? Hey, am I here alone? Is this one hard?
No, coach. No, coach. Good morning.
How are you? Hey, you are saying no. Let me see. We don't have new people here. Biamkama Anson, you are new here. Hey, the new ones, I know them. Prosper, you are new here. We have like four new people here. Now, if you can be able to identify this, you will never miss out a trade. You will never miss out a trade. This is the same logic, the same knowledge we are using when we are doing our analysis, when we are checking the coins that CryptoPilot shared. Whenever they share a signal, I come here and I do my own analysis. I look at it. Will this coin give us money or not? I check before I drop the signal. Are we together? I check before I drop a signal. So don't just rush. You will crash. If you find a coin having such a candle, like this one, okay, this is not normal. Guys, this is not normal. Just know there is something behind it. It's not easy to find such a candle. Whenever you find such a candle, just know the market will definitely drop halfway over the distance. Are you copying? Whenever you find such a candle, green candle, long like this, just know this is not normal in trading. The normal way should be in this way. Let me put it in green. That could be one candle, another candle, okay, another candle, like this. This is the correct way how the market should move. This is it. But whenever you find such a movement, this one, just know that trend is strong. That trend is strong. The fake trend is this one. This one is not normal. So that's why whenever we are going to short the market, if the coin is having such a candle, we simply short without even doing any analysis. Market will never create such a candle and remain up. Not really. That is not there. Whenever market forms such a candle, it will have to come back, whether you like it or not. But whenever you see market moving in this manner, in this way, just know that the trend is strong. The trend is strong. It will not just come down easily. it will keep moving up, 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 and it will take long to retrace or to come back. Are we together? That's why you have seen in most cases when the pilot is sharing the signal, is sharing these ones. Hey, no, these ones in this type. Hey, in this type. It's what the pilot shares. And what you need to understand, pilot share a coin after raising 3%. Whenever there is a rapid raise of 3% rapidly, the pilot will share that one as a short signal. I'm done here. I'm going to show you. 1. Which coin?
My ex. My ex. They did it yesterday.
It is APR. APR. Let us check this. APR. 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 Then we put USDT. Let us check this. How is it? Swap. Are you seeing? Are you seeing what I was telling you? This one is sure deal. Let us even share it. This is what? Sure deal. This is not normal. It will drop. Hey! Mulikuchi. You hurry up and short this coin. Hey, I told you, I teach while we are making money. No time to waste. We came here to make money. And I'm putting entry as 11644. That is our entry price, but don't mind about entry. You can go with current price and you hurry up. The coin is called APR. That one sure deal. Whether you like it or not, it will come down. Okay? I'm done with that. I've shared. I have shared it. 3% sure deal. It will come down. Now, when we get into technically, when we go for technically, this is what we are seeing. We have many points up here. This was a point, and this was a point. This was another point here, and another point here. Like that. Then finally, and now we have this. We have that one. So, you can see this coin has been coming in this area for several times. And whenever it comes, it could fail and drop down again. You get a point? Meaning it has been supplying. At this level here, it was supplying. Can you see? This level here. The market was supplying. We consider this. You see? It supplied 3 times, 2 times rather. Here and here. The market was supplying. So, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, you were supposed to short the market with peace of mind. Are we together? Who is learning something? Who is learning something? Can I see your reaction?
Yeah, I'm learning. I'm learning.
You normally say that I'm learning, not we are learning. You may be saying we are learning, yet others are sleeping. Hey, you are joking. Yeah? Others may be sleeping, and for you are saying we are learning. Oh. Are we getting the point? That means at this point, there's no need for you to ask anyone, can I short the market? Can I short the market? What are you not seeing? The market was trying to move up, then it stopped here. Let us follow here very well closely. Let us follow this point here. Now, the market was in uptrend here. Everyone can see that. Everyone can see that. But you can see the last point. This was the last point, this one. That pushed the market up to here. This is the last point. It's what we are going to consider as our higher low. Our higher low. Therefore, the change of character happened here. Here. It's where the change of character happened here. This candle was showing you that, you know what, we are no longer interested in going up. That's why you can see this level. The market dropped a bit, then it went back to retest. This is what we call retest. It was retesting the supply level. And there, people could decide either to short from here or to short from here. But at times, this market has a tendency of not going back to retest. And it may reach here and just drop at once. And waiting for it to go back here and you enter, you miss it out. Just know, whenever there is change of character, your entry must be below here, and you know, put it in mind. Don't get into negative and you feel like, oh my God, the market is changing that trend. No, please. You are entering here, the market dropped, you were targeting maybe this level. What is it? Let me see. It is it is 12%. You were targeting 12%. But surprisingly, the market gave you around 3%, then it pushed up. You can see it pushed up here. Now here you are in negative. And you start complaining, oh my God, my coin is not selling out. It is in negative. It was in -8. But it was coming back to retest the supply. Then to continue dropping down. Are we getting the point? So at this level, enter as you know. Enter while you know that it will first go up a bit. I'm trying to share with you the more knowledge such that you don't miss out. Because you may wait for it to come back here and it may fail and drop just. But while it is dropping, it is necessary for you to understand where is the market going. So we had a target here. This is the lowest point. So we were targeting this higher low, this one. And this is the demand level down here. Where the market started from to pump, it is the demand level. Where it stopped from at the top here, it is the supply level. So we trade basing on demand and supply. If you cannot identify that, then you still need more classes about it. Because this is the way forward. I told you, whether you like it or not, whether we have robots or whether we don't have them, we must keep trading.
We trade.
And by keeping trading, you must be having this tool that I'm sharing with you. You go to market, you do analysis, you trade. Oh my God. Mission is to make money, nothing else. If you are here and you feel like without marketing you cannot make money, then I don't know. We want money. Okay? Now let us check. You see now our coin, those who entered, they are getting out as soon as possible. It cannot go anywhere. It cannot go anywhere. It will first give us money before it continues. But I've told you, it will have to first drop halfway of this body. Now we are getting out in a few minutes. You see? It is now
You're out already.
You get a point. So you don't need to panic while you are trading. Some wake up in the morning and they feel, oh, I will miss trades. Do you know how many signals that you can trade even though you wake up very late? You can trade as many as possible. But because you are panicking, you don't have knowledge about market analysis, that's why you are panicking. Because you feel like if you don't trade my signals, then you are not going to trade. And I'm always here to teach you how you can trade when I'm not available. And this is the way. Find out the trade, a trend, look out at the demand and supply. Check whether we have break of, rather change of character. Check whether we supplied. Those are the points of entry. Change of character and at the supply level. It's what we consider. Now at this point here, market supplied. Then it dropped. It gave us our money. It again went back. It supplied for the second time. When you can observe very well, you can see there was too much rejection at this point. These are rejections. The candles you are seeing there, these are rejections. They are showing you that the sellers are coming in. They are selling. But remember what I told you. Whenever you see these rejections, wait a next candle to decide. If the rejection is followed by green candle, we are not trading. Hey, we are at the resistance level, we are at the supply level, we are at the support level, but after rejection candle and you see a green candle, oh my God, just know you are finished. It will not work out. Are we getting the point? If we are in a downtrend, we are at the support level. For example, this is now the support level here. This point here. We are assuming whenever market comes, this market, let us say, by coming down, that is the red candle, then another red candle being created, like that, then the next one touching the point. This is now the candle that touched the area. So in most cases we find out that we have such candles here. Let us say this one, and we do this. Hey. That is type of candle. But I want to make it green. Let us assume it is the green color. Are we getting it? That's the type of candle. This is indecision candle. And it is being formed at the support level. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to wait for the next candle that will follow after indecision. It will be the one to give us the direction. Are you getting the point? Don't just rush and trade. Wait, give it time. If the next candle will be green like this, that is a sure deal. market will raise. Am I making sense? This will be sure deal. The market will move upwards. But if it happens and you find the green candle there, rather the red candle at that point, just know that was the continuation. The market is still dropping. So we must look at the indecision candle. Where are they happening? Don't look at the candle which is in between the trend and you say, oh, this is indecision. No way. That will not be indecision. Look at this now. You cannot say now this is indecision. From where? This is indecision. From where? Do we have any support here? No. Then why are you saying it is indecision? It is a trap. Indecision candle must happen at the what? At the support level or resistance level. Is it making sense, guys? And you can go ahead and read about indecision candles, how they look like. There are many. And I think for those who have been with me, you have a book. You have a book that explaining everything. Okay? So, it is the same what was happening here, followed by a good red candle. And there you could know the market is dropping down. And by dropping down, you look at the levels where you want to take profit from. First of all, we have this level. This is your level. Okay? This is another level. Take this one. And finally, we have demand level at the bottom here. So, you decided to enter here at this point. This was your point number 1 of take profit, point number 2, and point number 3. 18%. Are we getting a point? So, the market rejected to keep moving down at this point. It stopped around here, then it went back. But when you see the market going back, you should get worried if it closes above this level. That's when you get worried and you feel like, oh, now it may take time to come back. It will not take your money, but it will take time to come back. Now, that's where the emotions will come in now. You entered from here, you were in a good positive at this point, and market went back, and you are in negative. And someone feel like, oh, let me sell it at loss. This loss is very small, I will recover. And immediately after selling, it will drop and go to your targets. One was hit here, another one here, another one here. That is done. And you feel like, oh, how I wish I remained there. But because of emotions you have, you cannot control them. That's why the idea of trading with robot came in. That if you cannot control your emotions, then let the robot do the work. Because robot has no emotions. Are we getting that something? We are not using robots because we don't know how to trade. We know how to trade. But robot eases things. It eases work. Instead of calculating, now where can I put stop loss, where can I put take profit, you just write at once. I've entered this coin, my take profit is 3%, maybe the stop loss is here. If you don't use stop loss, then you will put only the take profit and let the robot do the rest. Go and do other things as well. Are we together? We know how to trade even though the robot is not there. But the robot eases work. For those who are always busy, if you have good capital, do you know that you can be having a good money and you fail to make money because you don't have time? By the time you decide to enter the trade is already out. But if you can say, robot, please, whenever you see a certain percentage raising, just short the market, then it will do better than you. Are we together? So from there, we can see how the market moved. After giving us profit, you can see it recovered. Can we see it? It moved all the way from here to here. Then it retested here. Where it was retesting, it was the support level. And you can see what happened. Now these indecision candles are very, very valid, because they are happening at the support level. Now the next candle was this, so we could long the market. Now you could enter long, you long the market, okay, knowing that it will now go to the supply. This is the supply. It will go back at supply until we close above the supply. That's when this supply will now turn into the support whenever we close above it. For example, if we do this now, for those who entered late, they will say, oh, we never get out, you know, and yet we got out. So as you can see, if this market keeps above this level, then this level will turn into the support. But if we fail and drop down, then it will have worked for us. Are we together? The resistance can turn into support. The support can turn into resistance according to where the market is. So we base on where the current price is, and we decide whether this is support or resistance. Are we together? Hey, let me hope we are together. That one is done. Do we have any other that they shared? Okay, they shared there are many. They shared Jerry. They shared Jerry, and I think we can look at that. Jerry. Let us look at Jerry. Okay, now this is Jerry. Now, the trap you need to understand. Hey, you pay attention. Pay attention. Let me hope we are at par. Coach, how to set manual trades on Pilot. I need your YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, you go to YouTube and you search MRD in capital letters, MRD. You leave a space, you put MRD Crypto Trader. You will see the channel in green. It has a profile pic in green. Then inside it there is MRD as well. So you subscribe, you will always get the information. Okay, just go to YouTube channel and search MRD Crypto Trader. You will see it is there. So my dear friend, yes, I will come to you, my dear friend from India. I will show you how to press manual trades. Okay, and you have seen, by the way, manual trades are better than auto trades. For those who are trading manually, they are better than those who are trading automatically. Yeah, it's because when you set auto, the robot will take full responsibility. It will be the one to pick the signals. So at the end of the day, you may find yourself in this trap. Now, this is Jerry. They shared. what was the entry price? Let me see. The entry price here, I can see it is 10, then 56, 10, 56, 10, 56, 10, 56. Where is 10? 10 is where? Oh, 10 is here. You see? 10, 56. It is too high. 56. This is the entry now. So at times this one is okay. I think they shared when it was dropping. Let me see how long it they shared it at 23. What was it? Hey, it is now 6 minutes back. Okay, 6 minutes back. 6 minutes back, meaning we are okay. So they are saying you enter from here. Enter from here and short. And short. And you look at 2%. You know the auto normally looks at 2%, but for us we go for 3% to 5% around there. Okay. Now at times, ladies and gentlemen, when you are trading on auto, the robot can pick a signal which is here and say, please you short. Where it is now, it is okay. But here, you are in a danger zone. This coin can move all the way from here. And it can spend a week up here. Hey, you can spend there a week while you are in negative. And at times, some coins are being charged per day, per hour, according to its rules. You have to pay a fee. That's why it's better you do analysis. Look at the coin and decide whether you are going to trade it or not, such that you avoid those fees that they charge. Because the more you spend in the coin, the more the money you will pay. Are we together? When we are trading features, there is charges. So when you get your own coin, rather when you do your extra analysis, you can get out as quick as possible without being charged. Are we together? Then secondly, the robot can easily pick a coin here and say this was the critical condition signal. It may pick it feeling like the coin will continue dropping. Yet at some time, at some point, the coin has dropped to the demand level. And now it is just recovering. Now look at this. This was its demand. You see? That was its support. And let us assume someone picked it here to short. Now it's in negative, like more than even 50. So that's why I encourage you to learn how to do your own analysis. From there, always press the signal after analyzing it. Don't just press because they have shared the signal. No way. Don't just press. No way. Don't just press. Who is that? Put off microphone. Who is that? Put off microphone. Are we together? Go to chat and look at the coin. How is this coin? Is it going to pay or not? Then if it will not, then I will not trade it. I cannot trade every coin that they share. No. That is out. Like the one I shared with you last night. The coin was totally down at the bottom. And now the robot was telling us to short it. For those who are making money, for those who want to make money, you should be having money. If you have your 10,000 Not 10,000. If you have your 1,000 and below, you better don't think about setting the robot auto, because it will pick the coins. You will spend there some weeks there. It will pick at random. But when you are trading manually, it's you pressing the coin. You have analyzed, you have realized that this coin is going to give you even 5%. And the robot, the default setting is 2% take profit. And for you can go extra when you go for manual. Create little time. Look at the chart. Trading auto will make you dormant. You will not have time to look at the coin. You will not have time to look at the chart, meaning you will be dormant. Maybe if you are too old, you cannot have time for chat. But if you have time that in your daytime, you can create like 1 hour free, whether it is after work, it is okay, signals are always there. You can analyze them, you can make money. Pilot eases work. Its settings, it is very easy. They are very easy. It's like Binance compared to other exchanges. Other exchanges are very complicated, but Binance is the easiest exchanger. So the same applies. The settings for Pilot, they are easy. You don't need to calculate. You just write, you are done. Then secondly, it provides signal whereby you have also got chance to check those signals. Are they very okay? Such that you don't spend time looking at the coins. Which one can I analyze? Which one can I trade? Which one? You get the point. There you reduce on the time you could spend looking for coin. After providing, you check it. If you qualify to trade it. Are we getting the point? I think that is it. Let us look at the last one and we see how we can simply place the manual signal. Okay, I want us to look at the any coin that they shared. I think they shared the home. We have the coin called the home, and let us check it and we see whether we could trade it. Okay, what I'm teaching you, it is the best tool unless you don't want money. Unless you don't want money. I've told you. You see now this one, you look at its condition. Hey, look at its condition now. They are saying short. Okay, let us check 4 hours. What is it saying? From here we can see it has been dropping here. Now it means now this is our supply area here. Okay, and this level, it's the one that touched into the area, so meaning we have our change of character here, so we could short the market from here. Now this is low and this is another equal low. These are equal lows, this one and this one. Then from there it went up to this point, then it dropped, and now it has formed a new low. So by trading this coin, just put it in mind that it can first come here. Who is disturbing my network? It can come to here, then it may drop like this. Put it in mind, because now we can say now it has formed a lower low, so it will go back to form a lower high, where then we are considering now this area as the resistance area. Are you picking something? So when I'm comparing which one to trade, if I have more trades, I cannot go with this, because I know this one has a chance to first go up here and to drop again, and it can be, unfortunately, at times it can continue moving up and it can stop from here, and that's when it will drop down. meaning you are spending there some good time. Are we together? So when I'm comparing the signals to trade, I cannot take this one as the best one. This one it should come as a buy the way. I've failed to get what trade. Now let me risk and be with this trade. Though it is not 100% perfect, because it has already formed the lower low. It's like here. Let us say that you had short the coin at this point. After forming the lower low, and you short it, and it continued to move up, and now it's now when you are out. You have been there floating, and you are paying fee. Some are having fee, some are not having fee. Hey, who is running? Who is running?
I'm learning. I'm learning.
So now I say they were at 3 at 9. These ones. Let us check one of them. Let us check one of them. I've seen one coin here. Where is it? Okay, let me go back. I want us to look at the last coin here, and I show you how to press a signal. Okay, let us look at it. AGLD. Hey, where am I? AGLD. So let's look at this. AGLD. Then we look at perpetual. Let us open this and see. Now you see this one. We had traded it last time, and let us look at it now. As of now, this is what they have shared with us to trade. Okay, this is nice. Okay, now when we try to go back, it has been going there, like here it went there, like here it went there, and now this time it dropped up to here. This is what I have been telling you, that it will always go back to the demand level. This was its demand level. Now it is coming from demand. We used to trade spot in 2019 around there. We used to trade without robot. Now we could wait until the coin comes back to the demand level, and here we could enter now from here, and we could target halfway. Now here I would be out with 44%, because when you compare this distance and this one, it is almost the same. And now if we could enter halfway, expecting it to respect that halfway, now the logic we could use, it is okay, we have entered here expecting the coin to move up, and it failed. It goes to demand level. So we could draw lines, okay, that I expect it to turn from here, and maybe this is spot. I'm showing you how we could trade spot. Okay, then finally down here. So we could come and say, you know what, I'm putting my $100 here at that line, first buy. Then again another one here. You see, it's like buying margin calls, but we could put them. We could put them without robots. Paste. Okay, this one here. Now you see how we could trade. Copy and paste. Oh God, and paste. Okay, so this is how we could trade, expecting that the coin may disobey the rules. You are entering here because it was coming up here. You could expect that at least when it reached halfway, it may retrace and move up again. So we could press $100 here. Now you look at another support. You say, okay, it may retrace from here. Let me put another order to buy with 100. If it fails, it may go back here. Let me also put another order, 100. Then finally here, I put another order. But all these orders could be having the take profit point. Okay? So you could say from here, I may go back here, which is 20%. Okay. If it fails, if I enter with my 100 here, I will take 10% or 11% of 100. Then secondly, if I drop to here, I will take 12% of 100. If we drop finally here, I'm taking what? 44%. Like that. That's how we could trade. The work. You just press margin calls and you go and do other things. That's how we could trade. So, going back to business. Okay, let me remove everything here. Going back to business. Now, according to what we are seeing, this is the supply level we have. And currently, this was our demand level. That was our demand. And this is 4 hours time frame. If we get to 1 hour, let's go to 1 hour and see what is happening on 1 hour. Oh, what's wrong with network? Okay, it is here. Okay. This coin still have a long distance to come to the supply level. But I believe before going there, we can see it has a point here. This point is important. Don't feel like it is weak. That point is important. So we can call this one minor. Okay? We can call this one minor supply. Then we have major supply. So we expect some reaction happening here for this coin to first drop down a bit and to gain momentum. Are we together? We expect a reaction here. Momentum. When it closes above this level, then it is going here on the supply, the major supply. But as of now, we expect it to do what? First drop. That's why they have shared it. And if I'm to trade this one, I can trade it. Are we together? If I'm to trade this one, I can simply trade it. Are we together? So make sure where you are going to enter from, you have a reason why you are entering. You have a reason why you are entering the coin. Are we together? I'm done with that. Screen on my phone. I show you how to do what? How to press a signal. Stop sharing there.
Stop.
I enter. Okay. So I'm sharing my phone screen. Is it on? Okay, it's on. Now, someone was asking how to press a manual signal. How to press a manual signal on Pilot. So this is what you do. Like this, I shared this. Let me get the pen. Oh, where is my pen? Okay. So this is the signal that we shared. This is the signal. What you need to mark is few things on this signal. The direction is short, of course. You get the name of coin. The take profit, we all know we are taking 3%. The leverage, we are using 3 to 5x. Then look at the entry price. Out together, look at the entry price. Then percentage, you know. Then so when you open your Pilot, like this, what you need to do is one thing. You will come here on this plus. We have a plus here. When you open the Pilot immediately, it will show you this level. Oh, it logged out. Oh my god. Oh. Let me first log in and because I'm not seeing what I want. Okay, just a minute. Okay. I share screen again. Okay, we all see this page. This is a home page. And we have the plus here. So whenever you are going to press a signal, you need to click on this plus. Are we getting the point? So when you click on this plus, it will take you on the page where you are supposed to insert your signal from. At the top here, you will see Bitcoin. It is always there whenever you open that page. So in front of Bitcoin, there is arrow. There is green arrow here in this small box. It is pointing down. When you click that arrow, it will show you the page. It will bring the page where you need to write the name of coin. Are we together? So for example, the coin was called what? APR. So I write PR. And now the coin is here. You click it 2 times. Make sure you click it 2 times. You click and leave and just relax and again click. You check at the top here and see whether the name of coin is already there. Where the Bitcoin was, you must find out that the name of coin is also now there. Then, secondly, we have amount in USDT. How much are you going to enter with? I'm putting $10. So when you put $10, come here on what we call the leverage. Leverage, we are using 5 to 3 around there, but me I normally go with 5. So when you put 5, you just click this plus and this will be showing, it will be adding. You'll find 1. When you click plus, it will be 2. When you click again 3 until you see 5 here. Then you click confirm down here. Click confirm. Then put your take profit. Take profit, we put the one for spot. Like you put 3, whereby 3 means 3 times 5, which will be 15%. Are we getting the point? That will be the profit you will collect. And down here, we have enable smart exit. Put it on, such that you get out as quick as possible when robot hits your target. From there, you just click this word open and make sure the page that will reflect will be having the word trade here. There, your trade will have entered. Altogether, you just click this word open. It will rotate like this, then it will take you on the page of trades. Just know the trade has entered. That's how we press it. So just note that we search the name of coin at the top here. We put the name of coin. We put the first buy. We choose the leverage. We put the take profit. And we enable smart exit. And there you are done. You click open. Here, there is open.
How to preset?
You get the point. There is no need for you to preset. We are buying current price, my dear friend. No presetting.
Coach, how to preset?
Hope you get the point. No presetting. We buy current price. Because you can see here,
Okay.
we have current price. Rather, we have market, what we call market. No need for you to preset. Just choose it. Is don't touch this side, by the way. Don't touch anything there. Because it is always there. It is always in short. It is always in features. But here, you remember we set all the coins under close. Don't worry about this isolated. It is under market. It is under one shot in case if you draw there. Are we together? That is it. So we deal with this page only. And we click open. We are done. I think I'm clear with you. And that is it. Hey, that is it.
Okay, coach.
Okay, you're welcome. So, trading manually, it is the best, I can assure you. People can witness that. Those who are trading manually. Juliana, I can see you are loud and clear. Are we together? So let us just simply be used with the robot. We trade. Check the coins that they share. Check them on trading view and you see. Could you trade? If you could, then trade it. If you see that the condition where it is, you are not supposed to trade it, then don't trade it. Altogether, don't trade it if the condition is worse. This is where when they share coin and you see, this coin, no, I cannot trade it. Then don't trade it. We want the coin that can get out just within 1 hour. We are out with profit. Not waiting the whole day. You are waiting coin. You are waiting for coin. And most of you, oh my God, fear is too high. Whenever the coin is negative 20, 30, 50, oh, you feel like, oh my God, can I sell it? Don't panic. We have seen coins in negative 300 and they come back and we make money again. So as long as you are following risk management, then there is no need for you to panic. Okay? So with your $500, 700, 1,000, you can be able to make money. Serious money. Not forgetting those with $100. $100, of course, you can be trading, yeah, automatically, and you also make money. Yeah. So that's it, guys. I think let me stop from here. Allow me to stop from here. I don't know whether there is any other question. We have a coin that have been floating for over 1 week because of the fee. Should we leave it to continue to float or manually close? If you close, meaning you are going to make loss. How can you close in loss? No need to close in loss. You better wait. There is no way how you will be 100% perfect. You can also choose a coin for yourself and it can float. Just what matters, how many coins are you trading? How many coins are you trading? You get a point. The logic is how much are you making every day. It's not all about fee. You can be in the coin, it is charging you $4 every day, but again, you are making $20 every day. Now, what is forcing you to sell out? Nothing. For you who are feeling that the charges are high, it's because you are not making money. You are trading 3 coins and they are negative. You don't want to add another one. You don't want to add capital as well. The logic is how many coins are you trading and how much are you making every day. You find someone is having 1,000 on the balance, sitting just, and he's trading only 2 coins. And he's also crying, oh my God, my coins are not selling out. You are trading 2 coins. And you are crying, yet you have a balance of 1,000. Yet someone who is 500 is trading 10 coins at a go and is making money. And you are there crying, oh my God, I'm not making money. It's you who is limiting yourself from making money. All we want it is risk management. Risky management. Do analysis, decide which take profit are you going with. I've seen people taking 90%, 80%. Oh God. Yeah, people, you have enjoyed the pilot. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for your attendance. Thank you so much for your time. And I believe we have picked something from today's lesson. I believe it was recorded on YouTube channel. For review, you can go back and again visit and pass through in today's lesson. Where you don't understand, you can always come back and ask. And we must win together. Nothing we want money. Out together. Otherwise, stay blessed. I just wish you the best.